3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of printing layer by layer any three-dimensional object based on a digital file. In a 3D printer, one or more print heads extrudes a small amount of materials in precise locations to build objects point by point from the bottom up. Today, we can 3D print in full color and in over 250 different materials ranging from titanium to rubber, plastic, glass, ceramic, leathers, and even chocolate. 3D printers can create very complex structures of mixed materials and print almost anything, from jet engines to jewelry to houses to even medical prosthetics. 3D printing transforms the entire manufacturing process. Customization and complexity come for free, and large-scale custom manufacturing is now no problem. Additive manufacturing also saves tremendous costs, requiring as little as 10% of the raw materials expended in traditional manufacturing and eliminating the need for inventory. Ultimately, 3D printing dematerializes, demonetizes, and democratizes manufacturing and turns us all into creators. If you or your customers are in the business of making, well, anything, 3D printing is on the road to disrupting your industry and your business.